In Java, all classes extend the object class. Now, you'll notice that here we're not saying that we have to extend it. It's just that we get this automatically. What that means is I get some default methods for my objects already that I can go and call. Now, I can choose to override these if I need to, but by default I have them. Let's take a perfect example here. I'm going to print out my object 1. When I go to run it, it compiles my code, and I see my object at, and then I have some weird hexadecimal information. This is because the default toString, and that's the method that's called whenever I need to convert my object to a string, is going to specify my object name, at, and then the memory address that I'm at. So what would happen if I want to override this method? Well, I'm going to come down here and create a new method. Public string toString. This is going to allow me to overwrite the default method. Now I get to control it the way I want to see it and how that's going to be controlled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say return the value of x is, and then specify this.x. So all I'm really doing is just changing what string is going to be replaced. Now, I'm not making any changes at all to my main function. If I click run, you'll notice that now instead of saying my object at and then a memory address, it now gives the value of x is. So Java's pretty smart, and it knows that, hey, here's an object I need to convert to a string because system.out.println takes a string. So it automatically calls the toString method for me. And since I changed or overwrote the toString method, I now get a more meaningful response to what I have. So this is an example of how Java helps you out, but how we sometimes have to tweak it to make it do what we really want it to do.